Today, inshallah, I wanted to introduce another great prophet. A prophet that exemplifies sabr, patience by itself. And that is Prophet Ayyub alayhi salam. Prophet Ayyub alayhi salam is the prophet that came after Prophet YUSSUF alayhi salam. But before we get to the story of Prophet Ayyub, who is the example of patience, we want to link it, we connect it again with the end of the story of Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam. We have already finished the story of Yusuf. We are about to embark on a story of another great prophet who exemplifies patience in itself. But what is the connection between Yusuf alayhi salam and Ayyub alayhi salam? It is as-sabr, patience. When we go back towards the end of the story of Yusuf alayhi salam, the reason why we say Yusuf alayhi salam exemplified patience himself, it is how he behaved at the end of the story. When his father came, his mother and his 11 brothers bowing down for him, they made sujood. As Yusuf saw it in his dream, in the very beginning of the story, he saw the sun, the moon, and 11 stars bowing down for him. And the interpretation of this dream was that his father, his mother, and his 11 brothers were going to bow down for him. And this dream came to reality at the end of the story. Them in person came and made sujood for him. But what is the main lesson we learn here? It is through the speech of Yusuf alayhi salam. And this was again the speech of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam when the Muslims conquered Mecca in Fathul Mecca. Fathul Mecca is the opening of Mecca, the great victory after alayhi salatu wasalam was in Medina for 10 years, now to return to Mecca and take over. And the people of Mecca were terrified that this man coming with 10,000 soldiers is going to finish us. And they asked him, Ya Rasulullah, what are you going to do to us? He said, I will say the words of my brother Yusuf. لا تثريب عليكم اليوم يغفر الله لكم. Patience, as-sabr. And this is what Yusuf said. When his brothers came back to him, and his mother and his father, and bowed down, they made sujood, they surrendered to him, because he had the power, he had the strength. Instead of retaliating, when Allah gives you power, when Allah gives you strength, instead of retaliating, you must forgive. And that is the lesson to close with. Yusuf alayhi salam, when his brothers came, Yusuf did not fight back. Yusuf did not remember what they did to him. Yusuf did not say, you put me in the well. Yusuf did not say, because of you I was sold as a slave. Yusuf did not say, because of you I ended up in prison. But Yusuf said, لا تثريب عليكم اليوم يغفر الله لكم. Today, there is no blame upon you. May Allah forgive you, and I have forgiven you. This is a great example of sabr, a great example of patience. When you are in a position to retaliate, when you are in a position to fight back, you use your sabr, your patience. And tomorrow, inshallah, we're going to continue with the greatest example of sabr, that is Prophet Ayyub alayhi salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.